foremost, Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. So, I don't know if it's just me or not, but like, I feel like, being that I've been a little over 25 for some time now, still in my 20s, so mind your business, that like, once you hit that other side of 25, you're super emotional. Like, I'll be watching things and I'm just like, oh my goodness, this is so sad, and why am I crying? Because 23-year-old Rosetta would be judging me. Like, if younger Rosetta saw me, she'd be like, girl, what are you crying about? And I'm like, it's just so sad. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, once you hit 25 and you're older, emotions are just like, boom! It like hits you. Like I just cry about like everything now. I'm not afraid to admit it. I'll cry about like any little sad thing, any little happy thing. Angry cry, I've always done angry cry. That's nothing. But like, if something is so sad, I'm like, oh my goodness. If somebody gets proposed to, I'm crying. Like, things that make people truly happy, I'm over here crying and bawling. Like, I don't know what it is with being over 25. Now, I don't know if it's the same for men. I know, like, I've spoken to other women about it. They're like, yes! Oh my goodness. So I don't know if it's the same for men. I'm just going to assume so, because I'm not trying to leave y'all out. But it's just like mind-boggling. Like, I always tell people younger than me, they're like, oh, da-da-da. I'm like, watch when you hit 25. When you hit 25, all of that will change, because like I said, 23 and younger Rosetta, even 24 and younger, I'm going to say. I'm like, okay. Like, sometimes I just even want to watch a movie just to have a really good cry. Like, my favorite go-to sad movie is The Boy in the Striped Pajamas. If you've never seen it and you want a good cry, watch The Boy in the Striped Pajamas. But I don't know what it is with being 25 and over. I know I'm not the only one. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. And don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. So you can get my notifications. Once again, guys, Happy New Year's. Be blessed. Be thankful that you made it into the year 2020. 2020, let's make this a year about self. Claiming all of our blessings, abundance, peace, joy, love, everything. Claiming it all and not giving it, letting people be able to take you out of your positive energy, positive mindset. Live in this energy. Live with being yourself. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.